Hello everyone. In this session, what we will learn is how to make the track changes, how to edit the comments to the changes which we have made, and we will also revise the data table. So first of all, I am going to write data over here, roll number, and let me just add the marks of 3 subjects over here. And let me just enter the marks of 5 roll numbers, and on random order I am entering the marks. This is how I have entered the marks over here. Now we will talk about the track changes. How to do the track changes? We will go to review, we will go to track changes and click on highlight changes. It will ask me track changes while editing. This also shares your workbook. So if I will track the changes while editing, my workbook will be shared. I will click on this, highlight which changes, all the changes, and it should be viewed to everyone. Where, in which area of the worksheet I will make the changes. So I will go to this particular section and I will select my range. So here I can select the partial data also. Highlight changes on screen. This is also selected and we will click on OK. It will ask me to save my particular sheet. Let me just save it as revision 3 and I will select desktop and click on save. You can see here it is shared written over here. My data has been shared. So now I want to make some changes. Suppose that after retotaling, some marks have been changed. In SST roll number 2, marks have been changed from 44 to 47. In maths roll number 4, 45 has been changed to 48. In English roll number 5, marks have been changed to 50. Now you can see that wherever I have made the changes, you can see that there is a comment section. When I will go to I will hover around my mouse to any particular cell. You can see a particular comment like changed cell D3 from 44 to 47. It is specifying the date also. It is specifying the time also. Now, what I want to do, let me just select this cell. I will go to new comment. In review only, I will go to new comment and here I can write a new comment. I will write here question 5 was unchecked, marks increased after checking. Here I will add a new comment. Totaling was incorrect. Here I am not making any changes. Let it be like this only. And now you can see wherever I have given my comment, a red mark is also coming over there. You can see it is giving me that change cell D3 from 44 to 47. Comment is question 5 was unchecked, marks increased after checking. So this is how I can add my own comment also. I can edit the comment also. Now, if I share my particular worksheet with any of my colleague and they want to see that in which area I have made the changes and whether they are ready to accept the changes or not, they will go to track changes, accept or reject changes. This action will now save the workbook. Do you want to continue? Okay. Again, I will click OK. Change one of three. That means I have made 3 changes. Change cell D3 from 44 to 47. Suppose that I want to accept it. I will accept it. 45 to 48. I do not want to accept this change. I don't want to make it as 48. I want it to be 45 only. I will reject it. You can see here 48 has been again the previous marks 45 have been replaced by 48 over here because I have rejected the change. 50, I will accept the change. So you can see that now only 2 changes have been accepted. And this is how I can save the changes over here. And this is all about track changes, highlight changes, accept the changes, and giving the new comment or editing the previous comment.